Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Today's featured vacuum video shines on the Hoover Quik Broom Encore with onboard tools and 2-speed motor. By the way, a lot of people have seen my video of that green Hoover Quik Broom, only that one was way newer. This one's a lot older. And also the green one was a 1-speed motor. This one's a 2-speed. Here's the low speed. High speed. But anyway, continuing on with the features. Well, right now I have completely lost the hose and attachment, so I won't be showing that. But anyway, it does have a cyclonic action dust cup right here. So the dirt just spins around inside the dust cup while you're vacuuming and spins it off the filter so suction power stays strong. But anyway, right here, this is 12.0 cleaning effectiveness per amp. Anyway, let me show you the dust cup. Ugh. Just recently cleaned it out. And there's a filter on top. Let me set my camera down to put the dust cup back on. Alright, it's back on. Now for the cleaning head. This is kind of really cool. Dropped it. But anyway, let's see if I can get it to stand up so I can show you the head properly. But anyway, it also has edged cleaning. There's little suction ports right down there, which suck in dirt from the side. So you can get edge cleaning. There's a Hoover rug and bare floor right there. And anyway, right here is its brush control. Let me show you the underside. Right here are its brushes. Right here, you can flip the brushes out. Or you just flip them back in, just like that. Ugh. But anyway, now I'll go ahead and show you operating. Now I'm going to start off on low speed, then warp it up to high speed a little later. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Start off on low speed. Now then, that's one thing that's a little problem. When you turn the power off, the fan starts scratching against the frame. But that's not a big deal. All we know is that the vacuum still works. But now let's do it on high speed. Use this vacuum on high speed most of the time, but you can use it on high or low speed on a bare floor. Anyway, let me show you edge cleaning that. Alright, I'm going to stop the video right here, and then I'll cut away and show you a video that I made on this vacuum years ago on its cleaning performance. Alright, here I just found this vacuum's hose attachment right here. It's a really nice silver color on it. The only thing wrong with it, at the end, it is missing its little crevice tool piece right there. But that's not a big deal for me. Anyway, still works. But anyway, let me go ahead and hook it up to you if I can get a good angle of it. So you just flip this little part out right here, and then just hook it on in. And there you have it. Now it's used for cleaning your upholstery or any tight spots that the normal vacuum head can't get to. Now let's go ahead and show it to you in action. Once again, I'll start off on low speed, then warp it up to high speed. See if I can get it to stay right there. Alright, that was low speed. And now on to high speed. That's how strong the suction is on high speed. But anyway, go ahead and stop it right there. And we'll go ahead and take the hose out. Now, I'm going to show you where it goes. There's a little rack right here. So you just stick this port right in there. All you do is just wrap the hose around. The only problem is, since it doesn't have the crevice tool, the end part can't fit in right there. So I just usually oops. But anyway, I just like to keep the hose separate from the actual vacuum. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video of this Hoover Quik Broom Encore with onboard tools and 2-speed motor. Sure, stay tuned, there'll be a lot more where that came from. Take care, guys.